Today we're going to troubleshoot this window regulator on this back passenger door 2009 Chevy Silverado. Alright, so the window is going down, but it's not going upwards. And on the driver's side, it does not go down, but it goes up. Weird. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pop this open. Stick your trim tool removal right underneath it. Pull it out. And let's go ahead and disconnect this pigtail. Press that in. And out it comes out. Set this over here on the table. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to unlock it from there. We're going to grab the little trim tool removal and apply pressure there. I'm going to need both hands and essentially apply pressure on both sides and wiggle it out. Apply pressure on the other side and wiggle it out. Always easier said than done. So I'm going to try to get it out all at the same time. Alright, and there it is. All I did was use that and from underneath press it with my thumb. Now what we're going to do is open this up from here on all four sides and see if maybe it's just sticky and not making contact. Alright, on this one I started with this fly head, did one corner, pressed up, did the other corner, tried to pull it up, there it is. Now I'm going to do this other side. Alright, and there it is, and out comes this piece, and it's a little broken piece in there. Oh no, there isn't. This just might be a little bit dirty, so we'll clean out these little contacts and see if it makes a difference. Alright, we got a little bit of alcohol here, and we're going to clean that up and clean these contacts in the rear. So hopefully that works. And on this one here, you could actually see it a little bit dirty. Zoom in real quick and see if we get it to focus. Alright, kind of got it focused. I guess that's as close as we're going to be able to get. Blurs it out. Here we go, a little bit better. You can see all that dirt on the second lead right in there. And I already cleaned this one up. It looks like I could do a little bit of a better job right there. So let me give that a try. Alright, and that looks way much more better. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean these out because that's a little dirty too. I'm telling you, more than likely that's going to be the issue. Alright, there it is, looking way much better than before. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm also going to clean these little leads here. They do look a little bit dirty, just so we can make sure they are making good contact. Alright, and that is looking way much more better. Now we got to do is assemble everything back together. So this is going to go right up here like this, right in there. Now we're going to put this little housing right over it, just like so. Perfect. Flip it around. We're going to bring this little hood to close out this housing, clip it into place, then we'll clip this into place. And you know what, before we do that, let's see if this will work. If not, we'll just call GM and get a replacement part. There's the part number. Let's go ahead and connect this. There it is. So it's going down and it's going up. Sheesh. Sweet. And that is how you fix that. Let's go ahead and finish assembling it. So we'll just sit back on our chair, we'll come over here, sit that back down. There it is. And this is the kind of shit I do all day every day. And clip that back in, push this back down. Sweet. Up you go, down you go, up you go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.